Hi there, my name is Jeffrey Aquino, 34 years old. I have 7 years of experience in the security guard role and security supervisor role. I have worked on the TUI cruises and as a MAR cruises. As a ship security, I am responsible for the implementation of company policy, rules and regulations. I am also responsible for controlling the access of the ship, screening process, CCTV operations, fire patrol, responding to the reported incident and crime allegations, and many more. I hold certifications in basic safety training, proficiency in survival craft, and advanced firefighting, ensuring my readiness to handle any situations at sea. I am thrilled about the opportunity to contribute my skills, experiences, and commitment to the safety of your team. Thank you very much and have a great day.